Bloody hell. OpenSea hits record $5 billion in monthly sales as Ethereum NFT market swells. So let's get right into this story because if you don't know, if you just stumble upon this, OpenSea is where you could literally buy a whole bunch of NFTs. Like you could get into the NFT game. Like let's just like type it in so you can like see, right? OpenSea, right? OpenSea, the largest NFT marketplace. So OpenSea.io. Discover, collect, and sell extraordinary NFTs. OpenSea is the world's first and largest NFT marketplace, right? And again, the website is OpenSea.io. So OPENSEA.io for those that are listening to this. And you could just like literally go in here and just check it out, right? Alpha Kong, Starcade. Let's see. I don't know if this is it. Are Bored Apes on OpenSea? Yeah. Okay. So Bored Apes are in OpenSea. Holy hell! So 10,000 items, 6.3 thousand owners. There's 113 Ethereum floor price, and the typical volume traded is 377.6 Ethereum, but thousand Ethereum. That's crazy. Wow. So top bid Board Ape Club. Wow. Hold on. So Board Ape Yacht Club 6188. Let's just actually quickly check this out. How much is that for selling? Hold on. Let me just let's click this. What does this show? I don't know if my connection's just bad or uh I don't know. I guess you can't really like check it unless you're like logged in. Oh no. Here it is. It shows. So yeah, you could buy like Board Ape Yacht Club number 6188 for about $20,000 or about 7 Ethereum or with whatever that is, which is pretty crazy when you really think about it, right? So like this is the craziest thing to see as like an example, right? Like this started off as like $500 6 months ago, and now people are asking for 20,000, right? And like let's just check out like another one. Maybe if we could check price. Let's see on auction. Maybe that. No. Okay, so let's check out this one. The last bid for this one, well, like the last time it sold, should I say, right? Let's see. Price history. Where the hell is it? Okay, yeah. So the last time this thing sold, this board ape, was 78.88 Ethereum 24 days ago, right? And it originally sold for what, like zero point 0.9 Ethereum. So that kind of goes to show you like the craziness of this, right? There are some people, right, that could just end up becoming millionaires, right, from a JPEG. That's something to really understand. Like this is the craziness of NFTs. But let's continue with the story, right? So, leading NFT marketplace OpenSea generated more than $5 billion in total trading volume in January between Ethereum and Polygon sales, breaking the previous record from August 2021. Public blockchain data collected by Dune Analytics showed that OpenSea had more than $4.95 billion of Ethereum trading volume in January, plus over $79 million on Polygon, a sidechain scaling solution for Ethereum. Both are single month records for each respective platform. OpenSea's previous Ethereum peak came in August 2021 as the NFT market exploded following a subdued summer, topping $3.4 billion in trading volume for the month. Meanwhile, the marketplace's previous Polygon record was set in December with $76 million as NFT trading on the scaling solution has steadily increased in recent months. On the Ethereum front, OpenSea had its best single day in months yesterday, January 31st, with $233 million worth of NFT trading. Is one of four single days above the $200 million mark for Ethereum trading in January for the marketplace. OpenSea initially appeared to be on track for an even more sizable finish. However, the Dune Analytics dashboard created by Richard Chen, general partner at venture fund One Confirmation, was double counting transactions sent by newer aggregators like Genie and Gem. It was fixed on January 20th, and per a tweet from Chen, shaving down some previous trading volumes figures. Even with the data corrected, however, OpenSea still blew past its previous Ethereum record as the NFT market soars to even greater heights. Early in January, OpenSea also revealed a $300 million Series C round that valued the company at $13.3 billion. Now, it wasn't all smooth sailing for OpenSea in January, however. Some OpenSea users saw their high value NFT collectibles sold for a fraction of their estimated worth due to a UI exploit, and the firm has thus far paid out $1.8 million worth of ETH to affected customers. Also last month, OpenSea announced plans to limit the number of NFTs that can be minted with its own smart contract, effectively stopping some active projects in their tracks. The news was met with near universal backlash, and OpenSea reversed course, announcing that it would instead pursue other ways to limit the creation of plagiarized and spam NFTs on the platform. So, a rise in market. OpenSea is a prominent indicator of the NFT's market's momentum, which has continued surging despite a rough month for cryptocurrency prices. Some traders may see valuable blue chip NFT projects like the Bored Ape Yacht Club, which we just talked about, and Doodles as a store of value as the crypto market falls. Others may be taking advantage of the dip to buy into NFTs in a big way. Investors are currently getting a discount for the most hyped digital asset class, at least on fiat terms. Dragos Dunica, co-founder and chief data officer of analytics firm DAP Radar, told Decrypt earlier in January. As NFTs maintain their upward trend, this discount might turn into a neat return on investment as crypto prices pick up too. So an NFT works like a blockchain verified deed of ownership to a digital item, whether it's an image, video file, video game, item, or something else. The market rose to an estimated $23 billion in total trading volume over the course of 2021, per data from DAT Radar. That momentum has carried into 2022 thus far, and OpenSea is not only the only platform that saw significant trading action in January. New Ethereum marketplace LooksRare is a prime example, but it's one that comes with caveats. Launched on January 10th, the marketplace is built around its own Looks token that was airdropped free to select OpenSea users to draw them to the platform. Looks tokens are also paid out daily to NFT traders that use LooksRare. However, some traders have manipulated the system by selling NFTs for highly exaggerated prices back and forth between their own controlled wallets, a form of wash trading. Collections like Meebits and Terraforms, which trade without royalties due to the creators, have generated billions of artificially inflated trading volume via LooksRare in recent weeks. So as of Friday, January 28, Crypto Analytics from CryptoSlam said that it had identified more than $8.3 billion worth of wash trading. So basically, the thing to really understand, right, is that OpenSea is getting massive. Like OpenSea is kind of getting the attention, the trading that Robinhood was getting, right? Like it's getting pretty nuts. So what you can pretty much expect in the future is that OpenSea is going to continue to rise, most likely, right? The trading volume is going to rise over time as long as NFT interest rises over time, right? And you could probably just look in like Google Trends and like track the data and all that kind of stuff, right? Like, okay, how often is NFT, the word NFT, actually searched for? And you could, if it increases that search term in terms of searches per month, you can pretty much expect OpenSea is going to do pretty well. Now, the only thing that might really negatively affect OpenSea is a competitor like Coinbase. If Coinbase does release a whole NFT side to them where like it makes it very seamless from just buying an NFT from your Coinbase account or Coinbase app, it's going to be very hard for OpenSea to end up competing with them, right? Especially if Coinbase allows minting and all that kind of stuff. Like that's going to open up massive amounts of money into the whole NFT space, which will be very interesting to actually see, right? Now, here's the thing. Our rule of thumb when it comes to like NFTs, if you're interested in NFTs, number one, get out of debt. If you want to learn how to do that, go to 14box.com or in the description. Once you're out of debt, have an emergency fund. Start putting money towards investments after that, right? And then, after you do that, in that order, use the excess cash to go buy whatever you want. Like if you want to bet on like on an NFT project, go ahead and do that because you're using money that you do not need in your life, right? Like it's not going to dramatically affect your lifestyle. And that's what you really want to aim for, right? Like you don't want to aim for, using money that you pretty much can't live without because you don't know with these NFTs, right? It could be something like Shiba, right? The Shiba Inu coin, where it could just dramatically soar in price, and you end up becoming like a billionaire with like $1,000 or $5,000 investment, or you could put your money into it and literally lose every single cent because no one wants to buy it. Like that's the thing. The problem with NFTs, but this is like the problem with anything, it's only worth something if someone's willing to spend money on it. So if you end up choosing the wrong NFT project, you could end up losing all of your money because no one wants to buy it from you, right? So that's something to really think about. We'll see you in future episodes.